Hello, beautiful people. So, how many of you have heard about the Ordinary Argireline Solution 10%? This product is supposedly meant to be a Botox in a bottle. Okay, but is it really a Botox in a bottle? Well, you watch this video, see what my review is. So, I'm gonna tell you how long I use this product for and the pros and cons. Okay, and is this something that I will recommend for my viewers to buy? If you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chika Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician. I teach skincare in this channel. So if you like what you're watching, hit the subscribe button. The red button on you, I think is on the right hand side also, and subscribe and become part of this channel. And don't forget to hit the like button and like this video. And if you really like it, you help me share it to your friends and family. Thank you so much. And for my regular visitors, I love you. Thank you for coming back. So the Ordinary Argireline the Ordinary Argireline, I think so. I have my African intonation, so different people call it different things. But yeah, it's the Ordinary Argireline. Yeah, Argireline. Okay. Yes. Now, this product is meant to be a Botox in a bottle. Okay, it's supposed to act as a Botox. A lot of people get Botox injection. I've not had Botox injection before, so I don't know what it feels like. But the Argireline is more like a peptide. Okay, the peptide that you see in Botox injections. Okay, so what peptide does is it relaxes your expression lines. Okay, so it relaxes your expression lines. So when we talk about expression lines, we'll talk about the lines. The lines on your forehead here, the lines under your eye and your jaw lines. Okay, so Argireline is meant to do that, but the peptide in Argireline is not as strong as the one in Botox injections, and this is why the Ordinary brand made this, because they say that is less. It has there is less risk compared to having a Botox injection. Okay, so Botox basically stops your muscles from moving forcefully, because when you talk, when you laugh, when you do like this, you frown, so when you put Botox, it helps to more like relaxes your muscle, makes it softer, so that it doesn't you don't express the forcefully, like that's why a lot of people that have Botox injection, when they smile, you don't see any expression. When they frown, you don't see any expression. But anyway, Botox is not for me, but it doesn't matter. And other people likes it, that's fine, as long as it makes them happy. Okay, no, back to this. Okay, so I use this product. It's not that expensive though. The price is up here. This is what it looks like, the bottle inside. Basically all Ordinary brand is the same. They use the same kind of bottle. Now, I use it for 3 weeks. What I did was I stopped using all my serums, all my actives, because I really want, I'm Thomas. I like to try before I see. I like to try before I say. And by the way, this is not a paid promotion. So I used this for 3 weeks, morning and night. I stopped using all my serum, my vitamin C, my ceramides that I love so much, my hyaluronic acid, just to actually see if this is truly a Botox in a bottle. Now, the pros. After a week or so, I saw a little bit of improvement when it comes to my fine lines. Although I don't have that much fine lines on my forehead, but I saw a little reduction. And by the way, this doesn't do anything for your wrinkles. It's not a product for wrinkles. It only works on expression lines, okay, your fine lines. It doesn't do anything for your wrinkle, but it can help to hydrate your skin as well, okay. So that's all it did for me. I don't think I saw anything like improvement or any hydration. Did it make my skin look any softer? Not really. It didn't do anything for my skin, and I don't think it's supposed to do anything for your skin. I think it's only meant to work on the upper layer of your skin, on your expression lines, like Botox. Okay, would I prefer it to Botox, which is one of the pros? Maybe for people that are worried about their expression lines and are afraid to do a Botox injection, you can try it. I think maybe if you use it for a very long time. Remember, when it comes to my product reviews, I usually say to you, what works for me may not work for you. Maybe me as skin of color, I may not see that huge difference on my face. For people with other skin tone, or maybe someone that has too many fine lines, too many expression lines, will probably see a huge difference when they use it. One of the cons is it's just so watery. Look, when you put it, you have to be very careful, even applying it on your face. Okay, even applying it on your face, you have to be fast. Sometimes when you even put it on your face, you're more like, you have to be very fast. It absorbs really, really fast. So this is what it looks like. A little bit of hydration, a little bit of shine, but you don't see that much. It's very watery, and the texture is actually good. Yeah, the texture is quite good. So it's not like that heavy. Okay. I think someone with dry skin, it will really work for you, because dry skin seems to develop fine lines a little bit quick, a little bit faster than oily skin. Dry, dehydrated skin, yeah, it will work for you. Okay. Another cons, is this something that I will buy again? Probably not. I prefer my other actives, my hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and niacinamide, and my vitamin C. I love using my vitamin C because it keeps my skin, gives me that even skin tone and makes it brighter. Does this do anything like brightening my skin? It did absolutely nothing. Okay, but like I mentioned earlier, you can get it if you have a lot of fine lines. And if you've used it before, leave a comment below in the comment section. Have you used it before? Did it do anything on your skin? Is it something that you're planning to buy? You can buy it and you try it and see if it will work for you. But I won't be buying it again, because I don't have that many fine lines, so I won't be buying it again. Okay. So the Ordinary Argireline. Yeah, I got it. Argireline. Is it a Botox in a bottle? For me, no, it's not. It's not a Botox in a bottle, but it can be a Botox in a bottle for you if you have a lot of fine lines. Okay. I love you so much, my favorite people, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. Okay. Subscribe, and so it keeps you up to date on what is happening on my channel, and give this video a thumbs up, and please help me share it. Okay, help me share it to your friends and family. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.